Bharat here. So I will be displaying my Todo app today. So this is my Todo app. Okay, so it is how it looks like. Okay. So I have an input box here. So I can have my to-dos added. Okay. I can add my to-dos here. When I click on this plus icon, so this to-do will be added into the list of to-dos. So I can see here. So this to-do is added to the list. So I can add a new to-do again. Click on this plus icon. New to-do is added to the list. I also can see the number of to-dos added. So I have two to-dos that are left. So when I click on this checkbox, this to-do will be struck off. You can see it is struck off. Okay, saying this to-do is completed. Okay, when I click on this bin icon, so this to-do will be removed from the list of to-dos. Click on this, it will be removed, and the count is updated. And when I click on this clear all the to-dos that are added will be removed. Okay, and see if I click on this clear all the to-dos are removed. Okay, so everything is removed. So this is the brief demo of how it looks like front end part of the to-do app. Okay, in the back end how I have implemented is okay. So I have index.html. So this is what is rendered in the front end. So this is what you will see. So I have added a form. So where in the form, this is the input box where you will add all the to-dos. You will enter the to-dos, and this is the button where you will if you click on this button, this will be added into the list. So this is the division where I will be showing all the to-dos. Okay, and this is the index.js. So this is the JS for JavaScript file, which will be handling all the adding of the to-dos, removing all the updating of the list and everything. Okay, so when you click on the add button, right, so this method will be triggered called handle submit form. Okay, so if there is to do added in the input box, you have entered something, this method is called add to do. Okay, if you go to this add to do method, so as you can see, so here in this add to do method, whatever you have entered in the input box will be like taken and will be appended to the UL, that is unordered list. Okay, as a list item. So after this is appended, so this method called to do count will be called. And this to do count, again I will be appending a element called to do count. So in this element I will be like updating the count of to dos. Okay, this count will be nothing but the length of this array list, I mean the unordered list. Okay, so it is the length of this unordered list. Okay, so if I click on the remove button, right, so this method will be called delete to do. So in this delete to do, so I will be taking that item that I have just clicked, and that will be removed. Okay, and then again the to do count will be called, updating the number of to dos. Okay, so then apart from that I have this check to do button. So in this check to do button, if I click on this check button, so it will check whether the item is been checked or not. Okay, so what it will check is it will check the text decoration if it is line through. If it is not line through, nothing will be there. Okay, if it is not line through, means it is not yet checked. So in the else condition it will be checked saying that line through. Okay, it will be struck off, to do will be struck off. So when I click on the clear all button, this method will be called handle clear all. So here, so all the items in that unordered list will be removed, and it will be assigned, it won't be removed, it will be assigned a blank value. Okay, then again to do count will be called, and here in the to do count again, so if I don't have anything, if the count value is 0, the count is removed. Okay, it will be like assigned a blank value. And this is how my backend looks like. Okay, so that's it about my application called to do app.